I'm reminding you and myself also that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Hi there if you're new or already a part of my YouTube family. My name is Erica. So I know that a lot of you guys have been inquiring about this hair, and unfortunately I do not have the details as yet. Now, I've been wearing this hair for about a month, and I don't know. This hair is amazing. I really and truly have to get the hair again and install it, tell you guys all about it. But again, I don't have the details about this hair as yet. I'm so sorry about that. So after wearing it for a bit, like I said, I've been wearing it for a month. After wearing it for a bit, as you noticed in the beginning, there is a bit of frizzing. I was showing you guys that, but it's not a lot. Right, so what I'm doing is I'm just getting the scissors, cutting away some of those frizz as much as I can, and then getting the brush, brushing it out. And I'm going to go in, try and separate it with my fingers as much as I can. Now, I've gone ahead and added some products to this hair, and I find that it works very well. This hair works very well with the product that I've put in it. So that part there, one side's done and one part's not. So this is a product that I'm using. It is Strictly Curls, and it is a curl defining lotion. It's, like I said, it works really well with this hair. So I'm just going ahead again and brushing the hair out, reducing the appearance of those frizz, and then getting the curl lotion and working my way through it, and then it will revive the hair. I am so glad how this hair turned out. And like I said, guys, I will give you the details about this hair once I have them. But until then, please, I ask that you be patient with me and stay tuned. And God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye for now. God bless. Bye.